Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids for Magic World. Friends, today's topic is essay on a nation can develop only if all are educated. Slogan: Giving education is one step towards developing nation. Giving education is one step towards developing nation. So provide best education to everyone. To make a shining nation. To make a shining nation. Introduction. Education not only helps us in our personal growth but also helps in shaping the future of the nation. People with quality education are well equipped to take better decisions for their own as well as for country. As a developing nation, overall education is our only option towards the top. In this essay, we are going to discuss the importance of education in the overall development of any nation. First, skill development. To survive in today's world, acquiring useful skills has become very important. It helps in getting better opportunities and growth in career. In this way, the skilled individual can contribute to the society. Second, economic growth. The economic growth of its people is crucial for overall development of any country. Educated and skilled individuals are more likely to get successful in their career. This is usually done by securing high paying jobs or by making a successful business. When the overall income of the citizen of any country increases, the whole country get benefited from it. Education brings economic stability in society, which is important for the development of any country. Third, technological development. Being self sufficient is really important for a country that is aiming to be fully developed. For a country to be fully developed, it has to be technologically advanced these days. Proper education inspires for innovation by developing the critical thinking ability. This innovation also have the potential to grow into successful business which will help strengthen the economic condition of country. Fourth, abolition of discrimination. Good education not only makes people eligible for opportunities, it also makes them humble and open-minded. When the overall education level of country increases, the people start ignoring the discrimination imposed by society. When all of its citizens grow at the same rate and get equal amount of opportunities without having to face any discrimination, then the country grows very efficiently. This is another reason why education is essential for the development of a country. Environmental awareness. One of the major crises that the world facing right now is the climate change. If we do not address this problem immediately, then the development will not be sustainable. With education, general awareness of people increases, so they become more vigilant about climate change. Without the help of its citizens, it is impossible for the government to control the effect of climate change, and education is the only way to make people aware of it. So we can say that the importance of educating all of its citizens is really immense. Sixth, fight against corruption. With proper education, we learn to differentiate between right and wrong. Corruption is one of the problems that every country has to face. In countries with higher education level, corruption is significantly lower. Without addressing this problem, a nation cannot be fully developed in every area. To eradicate corruption fully from a country, the first step would be educating everyone of the country so that they can realize which is better for the greater good. In conclusion, education of its citizens is essential for the overall development of a nation. Education makes us humble and knowledgeable, which is important for becoming a better person. So we can say that education is the backbone for the development of a nation. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, share and comments. Bye friends.